Aphmau, I saw you go this way!
There we go. Just make this is so cool.
Aphmau, did you go in here?
Wow, he can't really see me.
God, it's so gross in there. I can't go in there. Aphmau?
Okay. I got you. Got you, man. Got you.
You've been playing too much Mecha.
Uh-huh. Yeah. And I'm sick of you coming after me. You need to stay in there and learn to let people live, okay?
This noise. Everywhere I go, it sends chills up my spine.
Okay, maybe get some headphones or something like that. You're smart.
Make it stop! I hate it! Please!
Okay, well, I'm glad you're stuck here.